everyone! Welcome to the vlog. Today we are going to do unboxing of the new ukulele that I bought yesterday. Ito siya! Yes! I bought it at obviously popular. Okay, this is ano to? Can you see it? Enya Nova Ukulele. Ayun. Okay. So, ayan. Inside the box, meron pang maliit, mas maliit na box. Ito, ang ganda niya. Ang cute-cute ng box. Inside, oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Look! LG! It's so cute! The color is so pretty. Okay, let's open it. Ang ganda ng color! Okay, this is the box. Ang sturdy ng box niya. Matigas. Kaya hindi masyadong madadamage yung ukulele pag nasa loob. And this is the ukulele. As in, talagang nung makita ko siya, hindi ko na siya naiwan. Wow! Tananan, tananan, tananan! Tan! Ah, diba? Okay, medyo slight nakatono na siya. Pero kailangan pa natin itong i-tune. So, this is the ukulele. It's so pretty, diba? Medyo sintunado pa. Okay, so this is how I tune my ukulele. I have this app called Tuner for Ukulele. This one. So, ayan. Ayan. Pag, so, pag tama siya, mag-green siya. Pag mali, iba yung kulay niya. Basta yung tamang color is, pag nag-green, that means nasa tono na yung string. Plus, guys, meron siyang strap. Oh! Oh my goodness! Ano to? String. Okay, meron siyang spare string. And then, meron din siyang capo. Super cute na pink capo. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try this one. How does it work? Cute talaga. And another one here. Okay. Tama ba? Mali. Mali. Palipit. Ano ba yan? Okay. Ayan naman. Alright. And there is a, may ganito. Ano ba dito? Kasi hindi mo na masyadong aalalayan tong this one. Okay, so from now on, I'll be playing with the strap. Alright, let's have a sample. Sample song. Okay, ano ba yan? Tanggalin natin ang cable. Ng tunog! Okay, I'm so happy with my new ukulele. I want to show you guys my other ukuleles. This one, I just bought this online. It's a it's a soprano ukulele. Ayan. Nakitan lang ako sa kulay niya. Kaya binili ko. Ang problema dito sa ukulele na to, madali siyang masintonado. Para pagkatapos ko siyang itono, mga nakakaisang kanta pa lang ako. Sintonado na naman, like. Di ba super sintonado siya. Ayan, parang hindi siya natutono. It's very hard to tune this ukulele. That's why I'm not using it. And then, ito na ang isa, yung lagi kong ginagamit. Ayan. And this one is maganda. This is a concert ukulele. And then this one also is a concert ukulele. Pareho silang concert. And then this one is a soprano. I wanted to have a tenor and a bass ukulele too. Someday! So that's all for today's vlog, guys. If you have songs that you want me to play using the ukulele, please comment it down below. And If I can play, I'm going to play it for you. But if I cannot, I will try as much as possible na aralin yung kanta. It will just take some time. Meron kasing mga songs na medyo mahirap ang chords and hindi pa naman tayo ganun kagaling mag-play ng ukulele. So I will try my best to play those songs. Ayan. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you'll be updated when I upload a new video. Thank you! Bye everyone!